Here is a small example that demonstrates the power of love and truth in us. Imagine you're an alcoholic. Your dear ones, like your spouse or your children or your parents, have been trying hard to make you quit alcohol, but you end up being helpless. You are unable to give up boozing. Now imagine another situation. Due to your alcoholism, you got a kind of serious liver cirrhosis. You are aware that you are being sicker and sicker day by day. Will you continue boozing? No way. You will abstain from alcohol at the earliest without any pressure from anyone. You start to have the fear of death and the desire to live. How is this possible alone with you now, which was not possible with your dear ones before? It was not possible for you before because you were trying to do it for others all those times. Now it's possible for you because you are doing it for yourself. You became aware about your health condition and you got the seriousness of your health threat. Then it became easy for you to quit alcohol because you love yourself more than anyone in this world. Quitting alcohol has become easier for you than ever before. What do we learn from this example? When you do something for others, there will be no integrity, sincerity, or desires. But when you do it for yourself, it will become sincere and stronger. That's why Jesus said, "You shall love your neighbor as you love yourself." But how did you get the desire to quit alcohol, which you had never before? This is the next lesson. Jesus said, "Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." Your problem was the lack of desire. Many times you thought it's not possible for you, but actually it was possible. All you lacked was a strong desire. But how did the desire come? Desire comes when you know the truth. Not by simply knowing the truth, but by loving the truth as it is to save you.